Okay guys, so if your Instagram application is keep stopping, so how to solve this problem? So just keep pressing this Instagram app and now click on this app info, and then you can see here storage and cache option. So just go to this option, storage and cache, and you can see here in the last here are two options, clear storage and clear cache data. So just click on this clear storage, and you can see here OK button. So just click on this OK, and now you can open your Instagram app, then your problem will be solved. But still your problem is not solved, so just open your web browser and then go to instagram.com, and now log in your Instagram ID from this website of Instagram official website. You have to log in from your web browser in instagram.com website, then your problem will be solved. Okay, these are the two method you can try and you can solve this problem. Instagram keeps stopping problem, so this is new trend. So this is the method to solve this problem. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. So bye bye guys.